Morning! We are doing what I eat in a day. So it is Friday, July 31st. It's 8:32 a.m. I need to do more what I eat in a days as I'm trying to get in shape. I swear, ever since I moved to Vancouver, school and everything, there's so much stuff that's going on and I literally gained like 20 pounds ever since I moved here. So, oh my gosh, my hair, I literally just woke up. But yeah, not that it's the end of the world or anything. It's whatever. Also, the reason why I gained so much weight ever since I moved here, one, because I was just like binge eating and stress eating because school is stressful. Future careers, just like what is life? Like what are we gonna do? Like am I gonna be homeless? Like what's my career gonna be like? That worry. So I was like stress eating, but also I don't think I was drinking enough water. So I just bought this. This is like a 2.2 liter bottle of water. I want to try to drink like 2 or 3 of these a day because I found myself not drinking like any water ever since I moved here. So I'm just gonna like fill this up. I had to like refill this Brita filter so many times because you're just gonna drink like so much water now. Like I totally found out too. Oh my gosh, I'm spilling everywhere. I totally found out too. The reason why I felt like hungry again wasn't because I was actually hungry. It was because I was thirsty. You know, I can always tell if my body's either hungry or thirsty, and most of the time it's always thirsty. For some reason I've been like eating every time I sensed that I was like thirsty, but I just like ate instead. I don't know, something's hitting different ever since I moved here. So yeah, I'm gonna fill this one more time and we're just going to track how much water I drink. Until I get hungry, I will just keep drinking water until I will show you my breakfast. Okay, it is 10:51. So I just made myself something super quick. I wanted something super like yummy this morning. So I made some chocolate banana and ice cream. It is so good. All you do is literally just take frozen bananas, chop them up, throw them in a blender, put some cocoa powder. I put in cacao powder. Recently bought these because I'm trying to like eat lower fat. So I bought these. This one's chocolate peanut butter and this one's just peanut butter. They're so good to like drizzle on oatmeal or something. But I just feel like I just want this right now because it's just so good. It literally tastes exactly like chocolate ice cream. It's amazing. But yeah, I wasn't hungry until now, which is good. So it shows that my water intake has been probably lacking a lot. Honestly, ever since again like the past year, I just realized that I'm not drinking as much as I used to. And I think part of it was because before I moved, I always had a massive water bottle like this and I never used the cups in my house. When I was back at my original place, I always just carried my own water bottle because I just was obsessed with drinking a lot of water. That was probably why. So this is a good thing to get my day started. Then I have to go grocery shopping and then I'll probably film what I will be eating after. Oh my god, it feels like such a cozy day today. Okay, so it's 11. Oh my gosh, I'm watching a movie right now. I really think I'm gonna be taking a nap later on today because I have to go to the studio. So it's an overnight session. So I don't know if I should go to bed early. In my fridge, so I have my coconut kefir. As you all know, it's a probiotic drink. I am fermenting as well, more as I'm going. But I'm just gonna finish off this. I had 2 bottles yesterday. I think this was my 3rd one. I'm really trying to jam pack the probiotics because clearly, I mean, my skin's definitely looking better, at least I think. I mean, I noticed when I lack the probiotic, pimples do come back. All right, now I'm gonna pop in some pills. So I'm no longer taking hydrochloric acid because my stomach acids, I feel like the acid reflux pretty soon after I eat something without even taking this at all. So I know that my stomach acid levels are probably good. I'm probably gonna have to do another baking soda challenge test just to see. But everything, honestly, my digestion, it seems very, very good right now. Stomach acids were such a big thing. I didn't realize that. So, and then obviously probiotics help stomach acids. I actually don't have to take any supplements right now at the moment, which is an awesome thing. It's more out of choice. I don't know if it's true adulting, but I find taking supplements very fun. Basically, the only supplements that my naturopath told me to take really is just this. Helps your glutathione levels. It's like detoxing. And then biocidin, which I actually recently stopped because I think I was killing way too much bacteria in my gut and I feel like I was killing a lot of good bacteria. So I'm stopping that for a bit. And right now I'm just taking a B complex. B vitamins are good. And I'm also taking a zinc. Also taking hormone balancing supplements right now. They're more herbs just to see how my body will react. But I'm actually taking, basically it's a B complex, zinc, and then these 2 of each every morning and night. I'll be taking this, but this is Fenugreek and Pueraria. I don't know how to say it. Basically both of these like help promote estrogen in your body because I guess if you're a guy and you have too low of testosterone, that could lead to acne. But if you're a girl and you have too much testosterone, that could actually lead to acne. So So I'm kind of seeing if my hormones will kind of balance out, because who knows, maybe especially previously being on birth control, I feel like stopping maybe messed up my hormones again. But we're just gonna take them and just see. Maca root powder, I'm sure would have the same effects, hormone balancing. So yeah, that's what I'm taking right now, and we're just gonna see if my skin improves in any way. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm the master of pill popping. Honestly, if I were to explain the taste in this kind of tastes like the cheap barefoot wine, but if you were to dilute that even more in water, that's literally what coconut water kefir tastes like. Just really cheap diluted wine or something. Making sure I'm drinking enough. Little grocery haul. I just needed some more lettuce because I only have like one head left, so I got just two. I really need to start eating more lettuce and salads, and again, I'm sticking to more low fat. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of like the Nina and Rhonda diet, except when I did it last time, I literally ate no fruit, whereas now I'm gonna allow myself to have some fruit. I just recently started eating frozen grapes, and I didn't realize how good they were. Like, I see so many influencers and like YouTubers eat frozen grapes. I tried it for the first time like last week or something, and they're so good. I also tried cotton candy flavored grapes, and those are amazing as well. They actually like legit taste like cotton candy. I couldn't find them, but these honestly are just as good. Kind of starting to get hungry. It's like 12:37. I'm really craving sweet potatoes. I just got a bunch of sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna just peel them and boil them and eat them that way. That bag kind of just exploded everywhere, but yeah. So I got a lot of sweet potatoes. And then I just got bananas because you can never have too many bananas. I love to have my banana ice cream. I love to put bananas on my oatmeal. Yeah, always make sure I have frozen bananas and bananas on hand to eat. And just a couple of red peppers to put in my salad. I usually just have quinoa and brown rice in my salad. Again, I eat super simple, but there's like this cute little, it's like kind of an adult fruit snack almost. I wonder if they make them fresh in their thing. They have like a, this is so good. And I'm gonna freeze these like right away. They're so good frozen. Oh yeah, I have like frozen bananas I keep in there on hand, and then a bunch of frozen fruit as well on hand. The best thing to have in oatmeal or smoothies. I want something nice and cold. Of course, I got my frozen, I freeze them to preserve the life, but this is just my kefir stuff for my probiotics, and they just said if you keep them in the freezer, they'll last longer. So yeah, so bad with camera angles. I am so excited for this. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it's on high right now, but I'm gonna just quickly do it to simmer once I leave. I trust myself that I will not burn this place down. I'm going to continue to chug this. Honestly though, I realize again how not hungry I am once I start drinking this. And I swear, this is probably the reason why I gained like, again, like 20 pounds legit. Like, I'm pretty sure it's because of my lack of water intake and also just being stressed. I like just stress eat like so much. So I'm in a good place now mentally. I feel like if you're not in a mentally good place, then physically you can't thrive. So you have to make sure that you are in like a mentally good place. Make sure you're eating well, because if you're not eating well, how can you think right? Obviously, you know what I'm saying? If you're having a to-do list, make sure you get it done so then you don't feel guilty, and then you procrastinate and maybe you stress eat while you do that, and it's a vicious cycle over and over again, which I have been you know, guilty of doing. Honestly, whenever I like the first time I moved here, everything was so new and I was so overwhelmed with everything. But yeah, anyway, it's so weird how this ties down to me talking about water, but like water is so important. Like, water was just my main food group before I moved here, so now we're back to our roots, gonna get back in shape. And again, this is just a super realistic what I eat in a day. Like, I eat super simple every single day like this, as long as I'm getting the nutrients I need. Like, it doesn't have to be fancy, but maybe next what I eat in a day, I can make my like signature chili and like my favorite Indian dish, hummus, and all those homemade kind of granola bars, all that I usually do. But again, during the busy days, I like to just show realistic what I eat in a days, and if you enjoy, I will definitely do more of these because I love filming them. Anyway, I'm gonna let that cook, and then I'm gonna be going to a second store. So hungry, I'm gonna die of starvation. Little montage. That's as fancy as we're getting. It is 1:22 already. What? How is it? I went by so fast. This is like my late lunch. Anyway, round 2 of the dropping trip. I wanted to try a different brand of oats. I bought a watermelon. I don't know why I crave so much watermelon during the summer. I mean, honestly, all year round. It's one of those things that I can never get enough of. And when I saw it, I just had to pick it. This is one of my guilty pleasures, which are these. Oh my god, they're so amazing. They're the silk, this specific flavor I make sure I get. Strawberry and almond. They are so good, so I had to pick up a couple too. I'm just crazy for plant-based yogurts. They are the best thing that has ever lived. This and plant-based ice creams, like, can't get better than that. But anyway, they had a lot of selection at it's like a superstore I went to. Intentions were just to pick up my organic brown rice and organic quinoa. Yeah, so I'm about to run out, but also you want to make sure you get organic because there's going to be less pesticides, and that means that your body will be able to digest and absorb the nutrients way easier. That is exactly why I have those, and I always make sure I have them cooked on hand in the fridge just because it bulks up the meal. The majority of what I eat is basically just fruits and vegetables, and then this is like the only like processed thing I guess you could say I eat. Occasionally I'll have these. But they have probiotics apparently in them, so I'm like, you know what, it's okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this, and then probably for dessert, we're gonna have some watermelon. My naturopath gave me this bottle of, it's called Healthy Skin, and you can't buy it in stores. I think they sell it for like $50, like a container, so it's kind of pricey. Apparently my naturopath was like, okay, the beta carotene, it's so important for your skin, so I'm like, okay, well, there we go. I'm dropping everything. How many sweet potatoes can I buy with like $50? I could literally just buy that and like eat all my food from the source instead of like supplementing all the time. I'm like, okay, it's nice to take, but then it kind of didn't sit right with me. Again, beta carotene was like the most prominent ingredient in there anyway, so I'm just like, let's just eat sweet potatoes then until we turn orange. I'm just gonna chill and finish watching my movie. It has Marilyn Monroe in it. Currently just cutting up my watermelon and eating a bunch. Try to put as much as I can away so I could just snack on this whenever I want. I ate so much watermelon. I'm so full. It is like 2 p.m. right now, and I just finished packing extra stuff. So again, I could have it ready in the fridge just to snack on anytime I want. The best feeling ever, being full on watermelon. Oh, it is 2:05. I'm probably going to be finishing a coconut water kefir just to have some more probiotics in me. Again, I'm trying to get my gut in check. All my watermelons here. I just have my yogurt. This is like older lettuce. I don't know if it's good, but we're gonna shove our other lettuces in here. I have my coconut kefirs here. I usually have reusable bags. I just totally forgot to bring them my grocery shop, so I don't usually always have these plastics. I feel so guilty when I use them, but yeah, next time I have to remember these. But yeah, super fizzy, but yeah, we gotta up the probiotics again. I just feel so energized right now. I am just feeling amazing. So yes, I will tune in next time I eat something, and yeah. Okay, it is now 4:22. I finished another box of watermelon. 2 more left, but I have to stop myself for the day because I'm gonna be eating literally all of it. And I think I'm gonna make a salad. As much as I don't want to eat one, I probably should, and just not eat fruit all day, because honestly, if I could just eat fruit all day every day, I would. But I should probably eat some greens. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly probably make a salad. Before I make a salad, I'm gonna try my frozen grapes because they've been freezing for a while. Oh my god, they're so good. So it's 5:42. So I just made supper. So this is basically what I'm having. It's just super simple. So I just chopped up the whole bell pepper as well with some salsa as my choice of dressing, some quinoa, some brown rice, of course, to fill it up. And then I had a Romanian lettuce. So this is the pepper. And then I also have some banana peppers as well. Yeah, it's just super basic. I think I might take 1 shot of apple cider vinegar. Again, my digestive Swedish Bitters, because they just help, again, absorb the nutrients with everything you're about to eat. And also, mid-dinner, I will most likely probably pop one of these, which is a probiotic I take every single day. I'll link all the probiotics down below of the HMF. This just happens to be the Woman's Daily, but I usually take the HMF Intensive. I'll make sure I link like the main ones I use down below. They just happen to run out at the Whole Foods I go to, so I just picked up the woman's one, which is only like 17 billion instead of the 30 billion probiotics I usually have. I'm just gonna be eating this salad. Again, like I said, apple cider vinegar shot, Swedish Bitters. I'll keep you updated on anything else I eat. maybe take you to the studio and we shall see. I finished. Is this all? I'm gonna be going to bed soon, like a half hour probably. I'm just gonna wind down, try to chug some more water, and then I'm gonna wake up at like probably 2 a.m. And we're gonna actually force ourselves to wake up at 2 a.m. to go to the studio. So yeah, I will take you there. I'm done eating for the evening because yeah, I wanna go to bed right away. I'm so mad at myself. I accidentally slept in. It's 6 a.m. right now. It's August 1st. Oh my gosh. I don't know what was going on. I swear. I like listened to my alarm. Maybe I thought I was in a dream or something. I don't know. I could technically still go to the studio, but I only have like a couple hours there. This is the struggle of nighttime shifts at the studio. It messes up your whole sleeping schedule, and I'm just like, I'm not used to this. Maybe I should have woke up at like 4 a.m. or something instead. We're gonna try to still make it to the studio and see how long I can stay. I literally slept in this, and I'm waking up in this, and we're just going just because I don't have literally any time. Oh my god.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Officially 6:30. It's gonna be a security. Okay, good, we in. This is the studio. I need to see if I could get work done. Struggle is so real with night shifts. Oh my god. Got some drums. We got piano. Anyway, don't mind as I try to struggle my way through this. My project file is like 9 gigabytes and I haven't even really started mixing and mastering it yet, so that just shows how crazy my project is and why I need the studio's processing power instead of my laptop. I literally look homeless. Oh my god, look at my hair. I brought my water, so I mixed some charcoal, like the chlorophyll to clean out my liver of some of my yogurt. I literally brought both of my yogurts because I was like, okay, well, thank God for this because I'm in a rush. Oh my gosh. And these sound super good right now, so I think I'm gonna eat these. I mistake thirst for hunger so much, and I didn't realize how much I was guilty of doing that because I never was like that before I moved here. But ever since I moved here, I feel like it just has been slowly turning into this couch potato. I'm so excited. I just want to release my music, but it's been so hard with this COVID thing. Like all my teachers, they've been ghosting me, but it's okay. We're gonna figure it out on our own. Take longer, literally like 5-6 months longer than I thought. And like the computer here though isn't even strong enough to hold my tracks. Like these are all my tracks. And like this computer honestly isn't even strong enough. Like I have so many tracks. I woke up to this morning and we hit 70,000 subscribers. I guess now we're at 70,100. I want to say thank you so much. I am so happy. I am just so excited. It will be a dream come true if we can hit 100K by the end of the year. I will be so happy. But anyway, yes, I thought I would say that. I love you all so much. Have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post, and all my social media links will be linked down below, as well as my second YouTube channel. Subscribe to that so I can post stuff like this, my music that I'm trying to work so hard on. But anyway, the struggle is so real. But yes, so I'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace.